provides an opportunity to students to study while exhibiting their selfless service to our beloved
Hello guys! Nandito pala kami sa City High!
Our institution, Holy Cross of Davao College, provides various opportunities for students to study.
March 28th, that's on Friday.
To register, kindly visit our official Facebook page, Holy Cross of Davao College, to access the link for the Student Assistance Scholarship. Baka ikaw na ang next scholar to experience 100% tuition na free. So register now. Once again, it's 100 free. The Philippine Accrediting Association of Schools, Colleges, and Universities has many of its
Organization efforts are trailblazed by the Center for Linkages, Internationalization and Language Studies, or LinkedIn NLS, and the Institute of the ASEAN European Studies, together with the support of the Commission on Higher Education, or CHED, Region 11.
And to give us a deeper understanding on the significance of internationalizing education, let us welcome once again the Project Technical Staff 3,
Sila'y nalilito, ba't daw ako nagkaganito? Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam. Magulang ko'y ginawa na ang lahat ng paraan upang maiwasan ang aking natutunan. Subalit iniwan ko ang binigay na karangyaan. Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam. Musika ang buhay na aking tinataglay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay.
Yes. Uy, si Kuya naman. Go, yan, ayan. Smiley. Okay na yan. Okay na yan? Or gusto mo masikip? Okay? Okay? Somebody's excited! Donnie! Kalit niya! Forward ni! Go, Nini! Damihan mo ni! Go, ni! Damihan mo ni! Go, ni! Go, ni! Nice one, ni! Bata lang. Yay! Bata lang. Yay! Naminaw siya. Gamit niya yung mouth. Nice one, Nini! Wow! Good job, Nini! Nini, good job, Nini! Nice one, Nini! Smile ako, smile, smile. Nice one, Nini! Let's go!